change up my style when I got chop every time. Words of the one Valiant. To do a performance where it's different. It's like Valiant were different right now. Last year, all about the chop. Dance. New year, 2023. Valiant, what's next?
We're going. Big up Intense, you know. As we show the people living so we're very versatile. As I say, so when them feel like say just chopping songs alone we have alone, if we get the fans them. We have a lot more if we can get the fans and we're versatile. If they want to hear Afrobeat style from Valiant, we can do it too. As I said, they want to hear love song, we can do it too. Yo, I shouldn't touch her. Yeah, we have a lot of things can get them, as I said, because we're in a game for stay. Yeah, Intense, already, you know.
Alright, it's a stinger right now. The people are calling you the dancehall saver right now. You know, the controversial thing right now, like a lot of artists, well-known artists, are going to perform. You would take it to the car park on top of a car, bro. Fans them love that. I respect you for that set speed, isn't it?
Blessings, man, my father. Differently still.
Yeah.
You know, because camera on, we act like somebody, we be ourselves. Me as a man, I take my music very seriously. Diplomats, them know already. So, me go up and sting for really perform for my fans. Remember when you little bit on a dream board, this, you know, might just drop off, man, watch that.
But catch, man.
Yeah, man, catch, man. Like, your dream board is right, oh, you plan it out and thing. Remember them say when God plan it wipe, but you really wipe, because I even get to really perform to how I'm going to perform, you see me I say? So, but then I walk through the car park and thing, I have a like, personal camera team, big up King Cam. You know, King Cam shot a lot of videos for Valiant to gone viral, like, gone hits, like Bong Shake, a lot of more songs, Speed Off, all of them hit songs, a big up King Cam. Me in a car park, I shot a video on the day's thing, you know. Because I say, me I work. So, but then in a car park, I say, yo, Jen, would have kind of kill my voice, but then again, one of my team members them said to me, say, yo, go on the car top, man. Catch the people, you see me, I say. Everybody I walk home, I see enough artists I walk home, kind of feel vexed because remember, you know, I get like, what, 3 months?
Yeah, basically 3 months.
3 months. I mean, I game for 4 months, 5 months now. Yeah, give God thanks. You see me, I say, what they there? I'm there stay, so I'm going to say, yo, me I walk, I'm going to say, yo, no, man.
This feel right.
This not feel right, bro. Come here for perform, right?